Okay.
Hey, y'all, keep it real. I promised that I would show this. This is a real easy recipe, and we've done this for the team, I don't know, since we started probably. And I gave Avis the option to be filmed or to film. Because I know y'all like to see other people besides me, but she said, I'll film. I said, okay. So anyway, we just we sprayed our pans, and we do the disposable pans because scrubbing these pans, it took forever. And we did that the first 8 years that we did this, and then Avis got smart and said, hey, let's put it on disposable pans. We were like, great idea. So we buy our meat at Sam's or BJ's, whatever, and these are really hearty Angus, all beef patties. And they cook up nice because they don't shrink real bad. You know, when you're feeding a bunch of football boys, you know, half grown men, they like to eat. So this is something that sustains them. So you lay them out in your pan. These are not fitness. Oh, these are new pans. Okay, I'm with it now. You can overlap them just a little bit. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven when we get them all loaded up. But here's the secret. I'm revealing the secret here, so pay attention. And it's real easy. Montreal steak seasoning. We put this all over these burgers. It seasons them perfectly. You don't need salt and pepper, just this. We use this at home for pork. I use it for chicken, and I use it for beef. They have a chicken one, but I use this one for everything. Do you use it at home, Avis?
Yes.
I love this. So this is what we do, y'all. We sprinkle them generously with the Montreal steak seasoning. They literally go into a 350-degree oven.
On both sides or one side?
I'm just doing one side, because we get them pretty good. You can do both sides if you want to, but when you cook it for 65, you probably don't have time for that. So we'll put that in a 350-degree oven. It takes about, what would you say, 30 minutes? Yeah. Until brown. And then we remove them from the grease, let them drain, and then we make brown gravy out of just a gravy mix on the stove, pour it over the meat, put it back in the oven and let it simmer. It's great. So there you have it, Wildcat hamburger steak.